feel like I am getting picked up for an African safari with the Inca4x4 Defender in all its glory. The original diesel right-hand drive in all its glory. All right, squad, so we're out here in Fayetteville, Georgia at Inca4x4, where the team had just finished up spraying. We also sprayed the center console. We got one off of Facebook Marketplace out of like an old King Ranch. We'll keep the King Ranch lid. We are going to reuse the old bumpers and install the new grille and headlights today, as well as try to get some of this wiring figured out. A lot of it what we will not need. The stuff that the fire department used, obviously, for radios and all that other stuff. And as well as we reached out to Wayland for the new lenses and LEDs, as I didn't want to have to patch this, and it was already pre-wired for strobes. So we'll just turn those strobe lights into solid white rock lights for when we're off-road and need a little bit of ditch light. As well as we sprayed the current fenders because they were peeling, the clear coat was peeling, so we sprayed those black. Again, just a temporary fix while we get this thing together. New mirrors will be installed today. Wheels and tires and suspension will be the last thing we do. So we really won't mess with a lot of that stuff, but the outside coating turned out phenomenal, as well as the inside. Like I said, we're gonna be pulling out some of this stuff. We're gonna keep using the shore power connections that they had and their battery charger. Why not keep that stuff in? That's stuff that we use in overlanding anyway. So a lot of this stuff already came pre-fabbed and pre-wired from what the fire department was doing already. Inside turned out all right. Did find a little bit of rot right here in this corner. We sealed it up and are going to patch this at a later date. But for now, we did applied some coatings and stuff to it to stop the rot. Otherwise, we didn't really find anything on this rig that was wrong. We got the new taillights installed. The badging turned out awesome. We did a base coat of red, put a stencil on it, and then sprayed it gray and removed the stencil, and it turned out awesome. So nice job to Lewis and his guys. As well as we are going through the inside now, like I said, just pulling stuff apart, plugging holes, and seeing what we can and can't reuse, and getting it ready for cargo kits in Nashville to take it from here and install the cargo area. But nice work, it's coming along. We'll do another short video once it's all together by the end of the day, as we're getting ready to go up to Virginia for Expo East. The camper is going to be hauled up from Florida for me tomorrow, so it also got some facelifts and new things going on as well, and we're prepping for the rack from Front Runner. But it's coming together. Stay tuned. Tell me you have a wiring nightmare without telling me you have a wiring nightmare. Trying to get through all the stuff that I don't need and trying to piggyback off the stuff that I can use, especially when it runs wires all the way to the back for me. But yeah, let's try to figure this out. I've pulled out about half of it, so half more to, a little over half to go.
Here we go.
Money, money, making crap for money, money, and money.
All right, so we're gearing up to head out in the morning to Overland Expo East in Arlington, Virginia. Sorry about the glare. We got the new headlights installed, obviously. New grille, waiting on the bumper. New mirrors. The Raptor liner turned out great. Raptor liner at the inside. I'm installing the brake controller now. We got the stereo, everything kind of trashed right now, just scrambling to get out of the door. We're leaving at like 4 a.m. Joe from Tiny Camper shipped up the camper today. So added touch, he did our flame red, which goes with our colors for the brand. It's looking great. Sitting on a new heavy duty 5200 Timbren. We've got a few minor touches that we're going to knock out tomorrow once we get into my parents' place in Virginia. They've been kind enough to put us up, and we got a couple campers and a couple crews coming in to crash. But yeah, we're heading out.